Have you ever wondered who would win in a fight between an anaconda and a boa constrictor? An intriguing question, isn't it? Both are powerful, fearsome creatures, each unique in their own right. The anaconda, a behemoth of the water with its colossal size and strength. On the other hand, the boa constrictor, a master of stealth and a constrictor par excellence. These two magnificent species have captivated our imaginations as we marvel at their survival skills and ponder their mysterious lives. They are the titans of the snake world, each with their own set of strengths and strategies. But the question remains, which of these two would stand victorious in a head-to-head battle? Who would emerge as the superior serpent? Is it the anaconda with its brute strength, or the boa constrictor with its cunning tactics? Let's dive into the world of these fascinating creatures and find out more. First, let's take a closer look at the anaconda. As we delve into the world of this fascinating creature, we learn that the anaconda, specifically the green anaconda, is among the largest snakes in the world. A fully grown anaconda can reach lengths of up to 29 feet and weigh as much as 550 pounds. That's nearly as long as a London double-decker bus and as heavy as a grand piano. When it comes to longevity, anacondas can live up to 10 years in the wild and over 30 in captivity. This is a testament to their resilience and adaptability, surviving in diverse habitats, from swamps to fast-moving rivers. Now, you may be wondering about their venom. Interestingly, anacondas don't rely on venom to subdue their prey. They are constrictors, meaning they use their powerful bodies to squeeze the life out of their meals. They are ambush predators, patiently waiting for the perfect moment to strike. The temperament of an anaconda is often misconstrued. They are not the aggressive monsters often depicted in movies. Instead, they are more reclusive and prefer to avoid confrontations when possible. However, when threatened, they can display a ferocious defense, using their size and strength to their advantage. In terms of diet, anacondas are not picky eaters. They feed on a wide variety of animals, from fish and birds to larger mammals like capybaras and even jaguars. The idea of anacondas eating humans is largely a product of sensationalized media, but it's not entirely baseless. There have been rare instances, though it's important to note that humans are not a regular part of their diet. Now that we know more about the anaconda, let's turn our attention to the boa constrictor. Now, let's explore the world of the boa constrictor. Native to South and Central America, the boa constrictor is a formidable creature, albeit less notorious than its cousin, the anaconda. Boas are impressive in their own right, growing up to 13 feet in length, although their average size is closer to 9 feet. This is still quite substantial, but falls short of the anaconda's grand stature. In terms of lifespan, the boa constrictor has the upper hand. In captivity, these snakes can live up to 30 years, a decade longer than the average life expectancy of an anaconda. The secret to their longevity lies in their slow metabolism and the cautious nature of their lifestyle. Contrary to popular belief, boa constrictors, like anacondas, are not venomous. They rely on their impressive strength to subdue prey, squeezing it until it can no longer breathe. This method of hunting is so effective that boas can take down animals much larger than themselves. In terms of temperament, boa constrictors are generally more docile than anacondas. They are known for their calm demeanor, especially when raised in captivity. However, it's worth noting that these are still wild animals and can be unpredictable. Boa constrictors are more reclusive than their anaconda relatives, opting to spend a significant portion of their lives in solitude. They are nocturnal creatures, most active during the twilight hours when they venture out in search of food. Their diet mainly consists of small to medium-sized birds and mammals, including monkeys, bats, and rodents. Although cases of boas attacking humans are rare, they are not unheard of. These instances mostly occur when the snake feels threatened or cornered. However, it's worth noting that boa constrictors are less likely to see humans as a potential meal compared to the larger anaconda. With knowledge about both these snakes, let's try to answer our initial question. So, who would win in a fight between an anaconda and a boa constrictor? In the green corner, we have the massive anaconda, an absolute powerhouse of a snake, reaching lengths of up to 30 feet. Its strength is unparalleled, and its size alone is intimidating. But it's not just its size that makes it a formidable opponent. The anaconda is a constrictor, meaning it wraps its body around its prey, squeezing until the prey can no longer breathe. This is a snake that doesn't need venom to kill. It simply overpowers its prey with sheer strength and determination. In the red corner, we have the boa constrictor, smaller than the anaconda, but by no means less impressive. Boa constrictors can reach lengths of up to 13 feet and are known for their agility and speed. These snakes are also constrictors, using their bodies to squeeze the life out of their prey. But unlike the anaconda, the boa constrictor is a master of stealth, often lying in wait for its prey to come to it. When it comes to venom, neither of these snakes has a leg up. Both are non-venomous, relying on their strength and constriction techniques to subdue their prey. So, in a battle, venom wouldn't be a factor. But what about their fighting techniques? Well, that's where things get interesting. The anaconda, with its size and strength, would likely try to overpower the boa constrictor, using its body to constrict and crush its opponent. The boa constrictor, on the other hand, would likely use its speed and agility to evade the anaconda, looking for an opportunity to strike and constrict. So who would win? Well, it's not a simple answer. The outcome would depend on a myriad of factors, including the size and health of the snakes, their respective levels of aggression, and the environment in which the fight takes place. As we can see, there are many factors that could influence the outcome of a fight between these two snakes. In conclusion, the outcome of a fight between an anaconda and a boa constrictor is not clear-cut. Both of these magnificent creatures possess unique traits that make them formidable opponents. The anaconda, with its sheer size and strength, has the ability to overpower many foes. On the other hand, the boa constrictor, though smaller, is known for its more aggressive temperament and longer lifespan, qualities that could tip the scales in its favor. However, it's essential to remember that nature is complex and unpredictable. Factors such as the environment, the state of health of each snake, and even the element of surprise could significantly influence the outcome of a hypothetical encounter. Moreover, neither of these species is typically inclined to attack humans or pets unless provoked or threatened. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the anaconda and the boa constrictor. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Before we leave, let's summarize what we've learned today. We've embarked on a journey through the world of two fascinating creatures, the anaconda and the boa constrictor. These serpents, while sharing many similarities, are unique in their own right, each possessing characteristics that set them apart in the realm of the reptiles. We discovered that the anaconda, a powerful and muscular serpent, is the larger of the two. Their massive size and strength make them formidable predators in their natural habitats. Despite their intimidating size, they are not venomous, relying instead on their crushing power to subdue prey. Although they are not typically aggressive towards humans or pets, their size and hunting style make them potentially dangerous. On the other hand, we have the boa constrictor, a smaller but equally intriguing creature. While not as large as the anaconda, the boa constrictor is still a sizable snake with a generally docile temperament. It's not venomous either, and it uses its body to capture and constrict its prey. It's considered more reclusive than the anaconda, often avoiding human interaction. In a hypothetical battle, it's hard to predict a clear winner. Each snake has its strengths and weaknesses, and the outcome would likely depend on a variety of factors, including size, environment, and health of the individuals involved. But remember, these are wild animals, and such confrontations are rare in nature. These creatures, like many others in the natural world, are complex and deserve our respect and understanding. They play critical roles in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems and offer us a glimpse into the fascinating world of nature. In your quest for knowledge, I encourage you to continue exploring, continue asking questions, and never lose your sense of wonder. The natural world is a vast, intricate tapestry, and there's always more to learn. And who knows, maybe the next time you encounter a snake, you'll see it in a different light. Remember, the world of nature is full of surprises. Stay curious and keep exploring.